Hey guys, here we are, DC Autotronics in Escondido, California, 760-715-2404 or dc.autotronics@gmail.com. Two things, Jeep SRT 8 Part 3, I guess. Gonna do a little bit of demoing. I'm gonna play some music. Hopefully they don't shut me down. If they do, stay tuned and we'll reboot it again. Anyway, guys, this is part 3, the Jeep SRT 8 with the Oz Audio components in the front and the Oz Audio coaxials in the rear. Again, they're Oz Audio 6.5s. Hopefully you guys can see in the dark. I've actually got a light here. So there you go, guys. Sound Digital 400x4. That's the Oz Audio crossover. The 400x4 is running the 4 speakers. And the 600.1, also with a second crossover for the component sets. That is a 600.1, 1 ohm. Why did we use it? Because this Oz Audio aided subwoofer does not lead a lot of power, as we keep saying over and over and over. This would be one of the most efficient subs in our industry, which creates a lot of boom for a little bit of power. This is one of the enclosures that we designed here. If you guys are interested, feel free to call or email us. All right, so let's do a demo test on some music. Again, I will be playing something that hopefully does not get cut out. If it does, stay tuned. We'll do our best to upload a new one. If you guys have any questions about the system, feel free to call. And for those of you guys that have been watching, here you go. Hopefully this works out. Again, video does this no justice, but for the unlimited power that this setup is on is pretty ridiculous. 80 RMS for the components and 60 RMS for the coaxials. I apologize if I'm screaming. I don't know if you can hear me or not. so there you have it. Hopefully, you don't shut us down with this song. It's a pretty old song. I know some of you new guys are like, I heard that shit before. It's a remake of, or a sample of Art of Noise. Back in the days, this was one of their badass songs. Again, it's Art of Noise, Moments in Love, not Moments in Bass, okay? Moments in Love, Art of Noise. All right, guys, there you have it. Shit, what do we like about it? It's pretty loud, man. For a little bit of power, shit, you can't go wrong. Again, let's go over it again. Sound Digital 400x4 running 4 speakers. That's the Oz Audio crossover. And that would be the 600.1 Sound Digital. Why are we using Sound Digital, not Banda? Shit, Bandas are a little bit too big and they just don't quite fit in these little pockets. That's why. Again, one single 8-inch V-Series single voice coil. Pretty impressive, guys. It really is. Everyday drivability, sound quality is awesome. Stay tuned. I'll shoot some more videos. We'll do some new songs, and hopefully they don't shut me down. Stay tuned.